Dashcam can help you in this situation. Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox a heavy hitter in the world of dashcams, the Xiaomi A810S Dual Set. This is not just a front camera, it's a complete 4K front and 1080 rear surveillance system. Let's see what is inside this box. So let's unbox this. In this box there is an envelope, just open it, and there are two manuals. One is for the front camera, it talks about the specification and how to install it. The second one is for the rear camera, it's again for the installation and specification. There are certain stickers. These are called the electrostatic stickers. You can utilize it for installations, like you can stick to the window screen and after that you will install your camera. The Xiaomi A810S is the performance-based camera. It features the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, which is the new one, delivering the true 4K UHD at 30 fps or 1080 at 60 fps. With wide-angle lens and 1.8 aperture, it captures every lane in high detail. It has dual channel HDR and night owl vision, ensures clear license plates and balanced lighting day or night. For durability, it uses supercapacitor instead of battery, making it highly heat resistant. You can also have a 3-inch IPS screen. The unit includes built-in GPS, ADAS, voice alert, and AI motion detection for advanced parking surveillance. This is a rear camera. This is also called RC1 tool, and it has a nice finishing at outside. And you get a long cable, one extra cable to connect your rear camera, and this cable is for the power, so USB-A type to USB Type-C. This is just for the power, and this cable is for connecting your rear camera to the main unit. So it's quite long enough, you can connect it. Further, there are some other tools apart from it, like just a plastic tool which you can utilize to installation, and there is a cap. This is the important part which will be stick to the main screen of the car, and then you can install your camera, the front camera, to it. You also get a power connector that is also have a good build quality, and you can also have extra USB-A type connection for your mobile charging. This camera is intelligent. It comes with the AI detection. I will talk about it in the later part of it. Let's go for the installation steps. We will see how we can install it. So the first step of installation is to clean your screen. After cleaning, you can take that electrostatic sticker and put on the appropriate area. So before you directly go install, turn on your camera and see the picture inside the screen, so you can be able to where it should be mounted. For myself, I installed just below the mirror screen, so it gives me a good view, almost full view of the 4 lanes. Now I will install this camera. I have already turned it on so I can see the whole view. The next part is to hide these cables, and you can see how I'm doing it. It's a little bit tricky, so you can get help from anyone, but for the front it is easy. For the rear one, it's a little bit tricky, so you can take help from any mechanic, and you can do it by yourself also, but it will take you a certain time. My installation for the front camera is done, and I'm driving on the road just trying to see the performance and the visuals from this camera. Now I'm calibrating ADAS feature of this camera. So you can go in the setting and you can enable. It will ask you to drive the car at 40 km/h, more than it, and for around 8 to 9 minutes.
A810S calibration successful.
Now you can see that ADAS calibration has been successful. Now let's check out some alerts from
Lane
this
departure.
camera. It's talking about the lane departure, so I'm trying to change
Lane
lanes.
departure.
So I will see how much perfect is this. When you are driving on the straight between the lanes, it will not give you alert, but most of the time it is accurate. It gives us another alert like the front car is moving, but there is other dash cam in the market which gives you alert about the green signal. So this part is missing in this camera. This camera gives you other alerts like pedestrians, careful about the riders, and etc. 4K visuals from this cam is satisfactory. You can see here, although I am driving slowly, it is around 20 km/h, but at high speed I have also observed that it gives accurate and clear visions. It has a GPS feature, so it also includes your GPS location, and these rides or your drive can be seen in exactly on the map in the Xiaomi app. So it's a great feature. Night vision is very good as compared to other dashcam. I have observed that it has a really very clear pictures in the night, even in the dark, not so much dark, but even the low light condition, it gives you a very clear picture of the roads. Let's see some more examples. In the video setting of this camera, you can choose the video recording for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. It means that it will create a segment of videos. It will be not continuous like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, but it will make a clip of 1 minute or 2 minute or 3 minute. So it's better if you choose 1 minute clip. It is easier for transfer, otherwise it does not affect your recording. Let me tell you some important points about the 24-hour parking system. For 24-hour parking, you need a separate cable. You can buy it from any online shops. These cables should be connected to your fuse box for 24-hour parking. In 24-hour parking system also you get two options. Either you get like time-lapse feature, or second is continuous recording. When you are recording 4K, you can get 3 to 4 hours recording in just 256 GB memory card, and you need more storage if you are going for long hours, and it supports up to 512 GB memory card. In 512 GB memory card you can get up to 8 hours of recording. That is for the 4K. If you opt for 1080, it will be long hours. I was surprised to see a notification and it says that there is an alert for the pedestrian. Let's check out.
Attention to pedestrians.
It has another feature that is called a road story. This can be done by using a Xiaomi app. It makes
Attention to pedestrians.
or layer over your videos, so you can see some infographics, some alerts, some visuals on the screen with this story. This can be used for the blogging. It has one more feature, that is 4G connection. For the 4G connection you need to buy a attachment, and once you connect it with, you have to install a SIM card 18, and then your cam will be connected with the 4G all time, and you can get all information from your home. Even you are not driving, you can get where it is, what is the location, speed, etc. So many things from the app. I drove this car in the night to see the visuals from this camera, and it gives me a beautiful images. This video is too clear and with lots of information. Let's see a very beautiful feature in the app which shows the animation of our movement on the map. So it records all detail by using GPS, and you can see how I moved in this area One important thing I saw when I passed through the underbridge, the GPS connection was lost and there was no recording of the coordinates. Most of the time it produced very nice results. The pictures and videos are very clear, but at certain point I observed that visuals are not clear. For example, if I will show you when it was too much sunny, the video was not clear. The sun was too bright, so it affected the video quality. But anyway, in the night, what I see, the performance is absolutely very excellent as compared to other brands, and in the daytime also it works very well, of course, with as compared to other brands. Soon I'm going to upload a new review for this dash cam. Please subscribe this channel. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews and dash cam tests. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below if you have any question about the installation or about the specification, or you are thinking anything about it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.